I'm going to show you a video of my kitty cats. There's my dog.
What's up? Gangsta love forever.
Stop it! Stop! What is wrong with you? This is Thunder.
If I'm tripping, I'm pimping.
Stop it! This is Thunder. He's very lovable and gentle. That's close enough. There he goes. Fat. This is Sunny. Sunny! He's lovable too. Sunny, look. Sunny. That's Sunny's bus. Turn around. Come here, Sunny. Come here. Look at the cat. What is wrong with you? He got neutered on Halloween. This is Busy. He's my favorite. Well, Blizzard. The Blizzards. And he got neutered on Halloween too. There he goes. Alright, I'm gonna go find Lightning. Lightning! Here, kitty! Lightning! Oh well, we can't find him. Not in the kitchen. Not in the dining room.
Take care of the family.
Lightning! Do you know where Lightning went, Mom?
It's like, honestly, I could quit this job.
I gotta go up my room. Lightning wants to be up there. Hi, Sunny. I forgot. I took my turkey. Yeah, I missed her. He must be up here because he's the only cat that does that. Lightning! He's not up here. Oh, here he is. Hi, Lighty. What you doing? No kitty. Lightning? He's a very aggressive. He's only nice in mornings. I mean nights. Mornings he's like a werewolf. Well, bye. This was Crazy Bat Webkins interviewing her cats. Which I have 4 cats.